Hey folks, I'm super stoked to introduce our new database integration with Authorizer that is now we support Couchbase. That means if you are using Couchbase as your database, you can have a complete authentication and authorization layer built on top of that database itself, so all the user data remains with you. In this particular video, I would like to walk you through a quick setup that I have done. So what I'm doing over here is I'm using cloud version of Couchbase. I've created a basic instance or a trial cluster over there, and I've got this connection string. So all I need to do is I need to configure this with my authorizer as an environment variable. So database type is a Couchbase. This is the connection string. This is the username and password that I created on the cloud of Couchbase. And these are the optional environment variables that we have introduced for Couchbase. So one is the Couchbase bucket. If not mentioned, then it will try to create a bucket called authorizer. But in that case, make sure that you have the right permissions to create a bucket for this particular username and password. Second one is the bucket RAM quota. This is in MB. And the last one is the Couchbase scope. By default it will be _default. That's the default Couchbase scope, so we'll be using that. So once you have configured this environment variable, all you need to do is run docker compose up, and your authorizer server will start running, and you will have an authentication and authorization layer ready for your application. So this is the dashboard that you will get with your authorizer server, where you can configure a few more variables like social media login, email setup, JWT configuration, and much more. And it also comes with a universal login app, so in case if you don't want to build your own UI, you can use this particular app and have authentication and authorization ready. I hope you like this. Thank you so much.